Our van equipment starts with a shelf unit. We make various sizes of shelves in different heights and different lengths. Our standard van shelving comes with one row of S boxes, stands for sliding. These boxes slide out to place so you can load them with your parts. They actually come out so they can be reloaded and put back into place.
You also get a shelf extension. Now this doesn't come standard with boxes, but it does come standard with the upgraded lips to help prevent anything from sliding out of the shelf here. Also, you get the L boxes. So these L boxes slide in and out, and they lock securely in place with the box slides.
L-box stands for locking. It locks in place. To get it to the job site, you can take a second L-box, clip them on top of one another, bring them into the job site. We're able to add this box or any of our other boxes to any of these shelves with a removable lip on the front. So we move back, we've got our T-box. The T-box is great, as you can see, for small parts and pieces. With this corrugated lid, it's holding all those pieces in place so you can bring it to the job site and nothing's gonna move on you. These inner inset boxes remove, take these out, fill them up, put them back into place.
Other items in the general services package include the shelf hook, as well as a paper pocket tray, and a big pocket down here as well. You also get the pocket here for additional storage for your paint cans in this case, and additional tools, and wire holders. Now these are spool holders, optional, not necessarily part of the general services package, but like all Knapheide van equipment product, all these components can be mixed and matched to suit the customer's needs.
Our partition is a thermoform partition. Three biggest benefits of our partition are its climate control, keeping your air or your heat kind of up front. All of them have a minimum of a 4-inch offset, so for bigger and taller drivers, it gives them the ability to move the seat back for driver comfort. And finally, it's very well sealed. Everybody's using hands-free or sync these days, and kind of turns that cab area into a mobile office. If you've got any more questions about Knapheide van equipment or any of our products, please contact your local Knapheide representative or check out our website.